Hello there, pickleball enthusiasts! Today I'm excited to unbox and review the Edgeless carbon fiber pickleball paddle. Let's dive in and discover what makes this paddle stand out from the rest. First of all, what's in the box? You're gonna get this amazing matching towel, the paddle of course, and the paddle cover, which is great to keep your paddle protected. With a thermoformed construction and an elongated shape, it offers optimal control and power on the court. This paddle boasts an edgeless design crafted from premium carbon fiber material. Plus, it features a 16mm honeycomb core for enhanced durability and responsiveness. You have to take the plastic wrapping to see how good the handle feels. So let's see how it does on the court. As you can see, the elongated shape provides a larger sweet spot, allowing for precision shots with minimal effort. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned player, you'll appreciate the balanced feel and consistent performance of this paddle. Well, if you're looking for a high-quality paddle that delivers unmatched control and power, look no farther. Whether you're playing singles or doubles, this paddle is suitable for players of all skill levels. Big shout out to the brand for sending this paddle my way. Thanks for tuning into my review. Until next time, keep swinging and dominating the court. Enjoy!